Good morning, students. In today's class, we will start new chapter 6, log on to logo. So what is logo? This is a new software for you. This is command based software. Okay, in this lesson we will learn how can we make different shapes. We can draw different shapes with different commands. Okay. So firstly you have to install logo in your laptop or computer. From the internet you can easily install. Okay, now open your book, page number 54. So what is logo? Children, how do you express your feeling to your family and friends? Through language. Okay, isn't it? We need any language to talk to someone, to share our feelings. So language is the medium to talk or write. So you may speak different languages like Hindi, English or any other regional language, but to talk to any person you need to use a common language which she understands. So in the same way, if you want to give instructions to a computer, you need to learn the language that a computer understands. So computer does not understand the language that you speak. So it has its own language. So logo is a simple language for learning basic programming, basic command based software. Logo is one of the easiest computer language to learn. The full form of logo is logic, L for logic, O for oriented, G for graphic and O for oriented. So logic oriented and graphic oriented. So we can use logo to draw pictures, do calculations and print the text also. So there is a one fact file. Who is he? He is Professor Samuel Pepper, who designed or introduced this language. Now how can we start logo? First, to open MS Logo, follow these steps. First you have to install that logo program in your computer. After that, click on Start button. Then select all programs. After that, you can see if you install your logo program in your computer. So you can see in the list, in the program list, a Microsoft Window logo. So click on that. So this is the opening screen of MS Logo program will appear like this. So logo screen is split into two parts. You can see one part and this is the second part. So this is the main screen. Okay, the upper part is the main screen and this is the commander window. So what is main screen? It is the main window for drawing pictures. So here you will find a triangle. This is called turtle. And this is the commander window, is the smaller area under the main screen used for typing commands. So we can run the commands by pressing the enter key. So commander window is divided into two sections. You can see command input box and this is the recall list box. So command input box is the white bar where you type the command like this. And you can execute the commands by pressing the enter key or by clicking the execute button. This is the execute button for running your command. And recall list box is the gray section that displays the list of all commands that are executed. Okay, those commands you have already executed, that list is coming into this recall list box. So it also displays message which appear as a result of these commands. And it keeps a record of instructions you type into the input box. Now there is another, let's know more. Logo software can be downloaded free of cost from the website www.softtronics.com. Okay, from this website you can download logo. And the full form of logo, logic oriented and graphic oriented. Next is knowing logo terms. Okay, before starting the drawing, so you have to learn some important terms regarding logo. So I have already told you this is the turtle triangle. You can see this is called turtle. It is a small triangular structure that obey only logo commands. So it has two parts. The pointed top of the turtle is known as head and bottom is part of its known as tail. So turtle moves on the main screen and draw pictures according to the commands. So this turtle only help us for drawing lines and making shapes. So we give and whatever and it draw figures according to the commands we give in this input box. Next term is primitives. So what are primitives? Primitives are the logo commands. Whatever command we will give in this input box called primitive. So they instruct the logo turtle to draw on the screen. And the turtle obeys the primitives when we press the enter key. Only after pressing the enter key, the command will be executed. So while typing the primitive, always leave a blank space between the primitive and the number of steps. So we can type the primitive in capital or small letters. Like for example, forward, BK, left and right. These are some commands. For these commands will help us for making different shapes. So we can write these primitives either in capital or small. And next term is program. So when we write primitive one after another, the set of primitives is known as program. Next, entering commands in logo. So how can we enter commands in logo for drawing shapes? So to type a command in logo, first we have to click on the command input box and type in the command and press the enter key. The command goes into the computer's memory and gets executed in the main screen. So first primitive or command is forward. So forward primitive make the turtle move forward by given number of steps. So if we want to draw a line in the forward, so we will use forward command. So you can see the turtle has drawn after forward command. The short form of forward is FD. So let us try type forward or FD. Both we can type. We can type either forward full spelling FORWARD. Either we can write short form of forward command FD. So press the space bar key after writing FD and the type in the number of steps. So how many times you want to run forward command. So after that press the enter. So type FD 100, then press enter. The turtle will move 100 steps ahead and draw a line. Remember, you need to give a single space between the command and the steps. Next command is back. It is the opposite of forward command. The back primitive move the turtle backward by the given number of steps. So look at the head of the turtle. This is the head which remains pointed up while it moves backward. The primitive back can also be written as BK. So short form of backward is BK. So type back or BK, both we can type. So then press spacebar and type in the number of steps and press enter key. So you can see it will draw a line in the backward. So type BK 50, then press enter. This will move the turtle backward by 50 steps. Okay children, now we have done two commands. So you have to do practice of these commands. First install logo in your computer. Okay. And learn how can we start logo command. Okay. And the different options of commander window or logo screen. So we have done page number 54, 55 and 56, and two commands we have learned, forward and back. Okay, next command we will do in the next class. Now I will give you homework for today.